Feast your eyes on this 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid Limited model. We are going 4 years strong with this body style and generation. That's right, Toyota Sienna kicked into hybrid only in 2021 with this new generation of body style. And it was one of the first model Toyota vehicles in the lineup to actually go hybrid only, but now we're starting to see it a lot more frequent. And it's quite common now. We have the Crown Signia, we have the Toyota Land Cruiser, we have the new 2025 Toyota Camry, perhaps even the new RAV4 might be hybrid only. Let me know what you think about a hybrid only or electrified only powertrain system, but let's take a look at what changed for 2025. That's right, everyone. There's been a few improvements and refinements when it comes to standard equipment and technology and even finishes on the interior specifically of the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. I'll review that in just a second. But let's talk about what changed on the exterior for the Sienna Hybrid in 2025. To be honest, not quite too much has changed on the exterior, except for a couple of trims and accent pieces. For example, this is a Sienna Hybrid Limited. It's almost the fully loaded model. I'll get to that a little bit ahead. There's a Platinum model that's above and beyond this one here. But Toyota has added a lot of piano black accents throughout some of the exterior trims, like these side skirt flares. These are actually finished in piano black. And if I'm not mistaken, the 2024 Toyota Sienna Limited, that trim was actually white, if I'm not mistaken. It was body color. And there's some more piano black trims that got added throughout the exterior. Let me bring you over to the back end. All right, so making our way over to the rear of this beautiful hybrid only 7-passenger minivan. Again, take a look at the bottom rear bumper fascia area. That is a piano black. That used to be body color, as far as I recall, or as far as I remember. And also we've got the latest hybrid HEV badge on pretty much any 2025 hybrid Toyota now. Toyota's done away with that hybrid badge, replaced it with that HEV badge. Now for 2025, we didn't get the upgraded and more advanced Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, but we did get some advancements to the technology on the interior of the 25 Sienna. Regardless of what model you go with, you get the latest multimedia. I'll show you what that looks like in a second, and take a look at this. For the first time ever, we have an all-black Softex interior. This is a first for the Toyota Sienna and a first for the limited Toyota Sienna. The previous Siennas used to come with the beige interior. I think it was called Chateau. That was the interior color. And it was kind of a light beige brown mixture of an interior. Well, this is now a perforated black Softex and leather interior with a little bit of a orange or brown stitching throughout. And yes, it's a 7-passenger configuration. If you want an 8-passenger Toyota Sienna, well, you're limited to the LE, if I'm not mistaken, and maybe even the XLE. Anything else will get you a 7-passenger Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Now, you can still get the beige interior on the Toyota Sienna, but you've got to go up to that platinum grade or that platinum trim to move away from the black and get back into that lighter beige interior, which I actually like this contrast, and I think it's very suitable for the limited grade, especially against this magnetic gray metallic exterior. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. In case you are a first-time Toyota hybrid owner, or you're considering owning a Toyota hybrid for the first time and you're a little bit worried or confused on what that actually means, owning a Toyota hybrid vehicle, how to care for your Toyota hybrid, how to maintain it, and how the actual system works, I've put together an ebook, and I'll put the link in the description below. You can check it out later on, and you can get that ebook if you like. and it breaks down basically a lot of information with regards to hybrid Toyotas, how to maintain them, what to do in the event you think something might be going wrong, how to improve the efficiency, performance, and the longevity of your Toyota hybrid vehicle. But let's continue on with this review. On the interior of this almost fully loaded Sienna Hybrid Limited model for 2025, you get an 8-way power driver seat with the lumbar support. And like I previously mentioned, it is a perforated seat, and in the front, it is heated and ventilated front seats. You also have a 2-position memory seat function and a fully adjustable and controllable power folding side mirrors. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, when you have it toggled into this position, when you go into reverse, your mirrors will also tilt downwards and outwards to help give you a more clear picture of the parking spot that you're trying to get into, to assist you with your parking. And just so you can see how easy the function control is of these power folding mirrors, as soon as you lock your door, your mirrors fold in. And when you unlock your door, your mirrors fold out. All right, you might be asking, what is the price tag of this nearly fully loaded Sienna Hybrid Limited? Well, it has a Canadian MSRP of $65,865, plus your destination transportation fees and taxes. Now, to go up to that next model, the one I'm talking about is the Platinum. It gives you the mini fridge and the vacuum with heads-up display and a few other features. You got to spend an additional $4,813 plus taxes. Well, for me, the Limited pretty much does the job. And you'll be happy to know that for the first time ever, standard on the Toyota Sienna Hybrid, regardless of what model you go with, the Siennas now come with the advanced rear seat reminder, which is a notification system that actually detects passengers or occupants in the back seats. And it's actually working via a radar sensor that is kind of built in just beneath this roof liner of your 25 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Yes, this model does get you those reclining style center seats here with just the tab pull of this lever here. You now have a reclining style seat, which is perfect if you're parked or staying in the vehicle for a long time during a long drive. Super comfortable configuration. The Sienna Hybrid also gets you the long slide seat function as well. So you have a really long track here from pretty much right behind the driver's seat all the way to the back. So it's very easy to actually control and get this middle row positioned exactly how you want it. I just did that with one hand, guys. Pretty cool. And you do get some cup holders here for your middle row passengers. You have a power accessory outlet, AC 120 volt, and an HDMI with some more USB-C here, and a small bag hook for your driver, passenger, or rear passenger. Now, for the most part, these power outlets are gonna have to be used and taken up for your rear DVD entertainment system. Now, you can use this rear DVD entertainment system either via an app, or you can actually plug a device in like an iPad or an iPod or your phone with an HDMI cord. And then from the HDMI cord, you can do an adapter into your device and stream whatever you have on your phone onto the screen for your rear passengers. Rear passengers will also have access to instrument panels like this one here for your temperature and fan speed control, and different heating modes, as well as rear seat heaters, because yes, this model does have heated rear middle row seats on the Limited and the Platinum grade for 2025. For anybody wondering about ground clearance on the Sienna Hybrid, I know sometimes they look really aggressive, and they are really aggressive looking, very stylish and aerodynamic. Well, you have a ground clearance on the Sienna Hybrid of 6.4 inches from the ground to where the front bumper starts, which is more than enough in my opinion. Yes, this is the model that gets you the power rear tailgate kick sensor functionality, as well as your kick sensor functionality for your side doors. I'm gonna give it a shot here. I think you gotta put your foot right over there. Yes, first shot, got it to work, very easy to use. Lots of trunk space here for the Sienna Hybrid. This is probably the best hybrid Toyota vehicle that you can get that gives you seating capacity and storage capacity and is hybrid. I mean, probably the next one up from this would be the Grand Highlander, or maybe even the Toyota Sequoia if you wanted to go that big. You can see here you got a 60-40 split configuration in the back seats. Very easy to get those rear seats stored and stowed away into the embedded cavity of the trunk. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You simply just have to pull on this lever here, and that gets your seat down flat. You can have it into any configuration that you really need it to be in. And to get it back up, very easy. Pull the lever back, pull this strap backwards, and there you have it. Now this model, Sienna, also has the digital display rear view mirror and the 360-degree monitor camera. So you'll see a lot of camera lenses around the exterior, which I'll show you in a second. And I'll show you that digital display rear view mirror on the interior as well. It also has rear parking sensors and front parking sensors as well. If you take a look on the back of the rear bumper here, where that new piano black trim is, you'll see parking sensors. And just over here, you will see two cameras. One is for your backup camera, which also acts as your 360-degree camera lens as well. And the next one is for your digital display rear view mirror. Some more camera lenses underneath your side power folding mirrors. And another camera right here in the center of your grille assembly with more sensors throughout the front bumper, like I mentioned. Over to the left of your driver, you have a small instrument panel that gives you access to your 360-degree view monitor, your heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, your AC 120-volt power outlets, automatic high beams, traction on-off. This accesses and allows power to go to your power sliding doors. So if you don't want your kids or anyone playing with the function of your power sliding doors, just press this button and it will no longer work and operate. You'll have to open the door manually. And this is the function button for your fuel tank release, for your gas fill up, and your lever for your hood release as well. You get a small storage tray over here to the left of the driver, and it is a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, which actually works in hand with your memory seat function. All right, this is a really nice feature and add-on, and I think it's a must for the Toyota Sienna Hybrid, especially when you're going up to the Limited and the Platinum grade, and that's an available 12.3-inch wide multi-information display system here that houses a lot of your customizations and features and settings on the vehicle, whether it's pertaining to multimedia, tire pressure, your Toyota safety sense, or vehicle settings in general. This is a great addition for 2025. All right, before I get to the multimedia, let me show you this new wood grain style glossy finished trim that is absolutely new for the Toyota Sienna. They completely changed the look of this interior with this trim on the Limited. Yes, you do get different color trims and different style trims with different models, but for the Limited, this is what you're upgraded to. And this is what you used to get for the 2024 Toyota Sienna Hybrid trim on the interior. Let me know which one you prefer, the 2024 trim or the 2025. This is actually growing on me, and it really gives a luxurious feel and touch to the interior. Lots of cargo and storage compartments here. You've got two USB-C ports right there. You've got two very large cup holders over here, And you've got two more cup holders just north of that with a little propping station for a mobile device or cell phone. And Toyota says that they upgraded the technology, and this is the latest and best of their wireless phone charging capabilities, now standard on the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid Limited. All right, here's where things get really fun, and that is with the 12.3-inch wide, standard equipped on the Limited model, optically bonded glass, touch screen. This does have the latest Toyota Multimedia system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, cloud-based navigation capabilities, and more. And yes, you'll also be happy to know that the Sienna Hybrid Limited still does come with the JBL sound system. And just to give you an idea, like I promised you earlier, I would show you the digital display rear view mirror. This is a very big and very functionable rear view mirror because it has your HomeLink garage door system set up. It is auto dimming, and with the pull of this toggle, it is also a camera for your digital display rear view mirror that gives you a clear, unobstructed view of what's happening behind your vehicle, which I gotta say, you really need that on this model, because if you didn't have it, well, you got a rear DVD entertainment system, so when it's down, you can't see very well, so you're gonna wanna make sure you use this function control, which is why it comes on models that have the rear seat DVD entertainment system, like the Limited, like the Platinum grade. And of course, you do get a power functioning opening moonroof with the sunshade on the Limited and the Platinum grade. Now, I just noticed something on the interior trim here. This is really cool, and I've never seen something like this. So it starts off as a wood trim gloss finish, and then I thought it was the lighting, but it's not. As you go closer and closer to the dash, or closer and closer to the center here, it starts to darken and fade into a black, which then blends into the rest of the trim. This is really, really neat. And this here is a different material from this. This is more of a finished, trimmed interior, whereas this is more of like a plastic trim, which is okay because this is where you're gonna store, you know, your passenger's phone, some sunglasses, stuff like that. And it kind of separates right here, and then this trim starts from black and then lightens up and then goes into your wood grain. Wow, this is really cool. A bunch of different driving modes. You've got your electronic parking brake, your EV mode, and your multi-terrain or mode select, which goes from eco to normal to sport mode. On the Limited grade, you're also upgraded to a 4-way power passenger seat, which is really nice. And I know previously I may have mentioned that this is a Softex, but actually on the Limited, you're upgraded to leather seats, and it's not Softex, and you can actually feel and see the difference. Really luxurious Toyota Sienna here. And you can see here that this blacked out trim piece that's on the center or front part here in front of your passenger is also carried through on your inner door panels as well. Now, I know it's a hybrid only powertrain system, but the Sienna Hybrid can actually tow up to 3,499 pounds, which is quite a lot. Underneath the hood, we have a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain system, pumping out 245 horsepower and 176 pound-foot of torque. It's hooked up to an ECVT transmission and a 68-liter gas tank that gets you a combined city and highway fuel economy of about 42 miles per gallon, which translates to around 6.7 liters per 100 kilometers. Well, guys, let me know what you think of this lovely magnetic gray metallic Sienna Hybrid Limited, which is almost fully loaded. Let me know if you go for the Limited, the Platinum. Do you like the sportier, more aggressive look of the XSE? I hope you enjoyed this video review. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.